In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make audio high pitch in Soundtrap. By the end, you'll know exactly how to raise the pitch of any clip to get brighter vocals, chipmunk-style effects, or a subtle lift that helps parts cut through a mix. First, open your browser and head to the Soundtrap website. This is the online studio we'll use to make the change. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button and click it to access your account. On the login screen, choose Login with Google for a quick sign-in. Select your Google account from the list to continue. Keep your credentials secure and avoid sharing any personal details on screen. We're only selecting the account to enter the studio. After you're in, find your project on the Soundtrap home area and enter the studio. The studio is your workspace where you'll see all your tracks and regions laid out on the timeline. If you have multiple projects, pick the one with the audio you want to adjust. Inside the studio, click the specific track or region you want to change. Make sure the exact audio clip is highlighted. If your track has several regions, select the one you actually want to raise in pitch so you don't affect the wrong section. Now right-click on the selected region to open the context menu. From that menu, choose Change Pitch. If you don't see it, double-check that you clicked directly on an audio region and that it's selected. You'll see a control that lets you set how far to shift the pitch. Positive numbers move the pitch up, negative numbers move it down. Since we're making audio high pitch, enter a positive value. Pitch is measured in semitones, and 12 semitones equal 1 octave. For a natural lift on a voice or instrument, try a small change like +2 to +4 semitones. For a more dramatic, cartoon-like sound, go higher, such as +5 to +12. Keep in mind that the larger the shift, the more likely you'll hear artifacts, so dial it in thoughtfully. Once you apply the change, the region will be transposed to the new pitch. Listen in context with the rest of your tracks to make sure it sits well. If it feels too sharp or introduces unwanted coloration, simply reduce the number and try again. Small adjustments often yield the most musical results. That's it. You've raised the pitch of your audio in Soundtrap using the built-in Change Pitch tool. Save your project when you're happy and you're ready to move on with your production.